So in the previous tutorial we created our social media. It's time now to start creating content. So we'll be finding and creating content for our social media: YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and any other social media accounts that you come across. And our main idea is to start earning. So we start with finding content. If it's an off-edge idea, you just think of something and create content. Research on a trading topic or questions from social media. That's from other users. If you look at TikTok, it has so many questions, and also and Q&A. A hobby, something you like doing, training people on something. It could be education or a new technology, or reviewing new product and service. Content around breaking news. Also breaking news, we provide a good place for content. Also questions on your content. If you put a content and you get a question or comment, you can create content around it and many more. Like an example of TikTok, and somebody comments, you can think of something you can create that is entertaining and create content around it. If somebody asks a question, don't just answer with a comment, create a video, post it. It will form part of your content. Breaking news, you can get this from social media, mostly Twitter. They usually have the trading news. Create content around it, make it entertaining, make it look original. In terms of training, take a case where you know something like how to develop Android apps or create websites. You can create content around that and keep that consistency. For beginner, I wouldn't advise on going on content specific topic. They call it niche specific. Remember, you're still trying to set base for yourself. So try until you know which content brings in followers and views. So now creating content, how do you start? You start with a script, then you record. Then after that, you can use stock footages and or downloaded footages and images, or you can set to use text and image based content. We'll see these in TikTok and also YouTube when creating memes. Recording, you can record yourself or record the voiceover, then put a footage. If you're recording yourself, then you don't need to do a stock footage unless you want to highlight a specific part of your script with a stock footage. So script is what will guide you through. It's a step-by-step of the actions in your content and forms the basis of what you record. After that, now we go to posting content. Always have a content calendar that guides you through what you'll be posting every day, at what time, which social media. Then make sure the content is quality. Always have a quality content and 4 guidelines for each social media, otherwise you get banned from using that social media. Also be mindful of others and have original and copyrighted content. The worst that can happen is that you use somebody's content and then you are flagged. And again, the same way you didn't like anyone to use your content, don't use others' content. And also consistency. That's why you need a content calendar, so that if tomorrow you are saying you are posting something, you post. The following day you are posting something, you post, and follow that content calendar. So consistency plays a great role, brings in views, followers, because people can see you are communicating. And if possible, follow the same pattern, same topic, or if you're using different topics, or is interchange. So what is contained in the content calendar? Here you define what you'll be posting and when, and where to post. So we'll be creating this in the next tutorial.